Good morning. Pete Blair here, aka the Mad Scientist. Here's a little tip that might help some of you with who have my sanding mandrels. Sometimes when you're using them, they feel like they're too hard. It's not flexible enough. So if you cut the sanding strips, something like this, of course you do that to all of them. I just cut the two sides. You might be able to cut all four sides, but with the paper I've got, it's a little narrow on that shorter side. As you can see, I've already put a hole through here for the mandrel. I like to sand rather slow. Works better for me on a Fordham, but I know a lot of people use these on a Dremel, so I don't think it'll matter that much. I don't know. Haven't actually done much of this myself. I just thought this would be a thing to try today. And I like to use 4 strips of paper when I'm doing this. I do 2 each way. I know a lot of people like Jordy, I think he does 3 forward and 1 facing toward the back. So you can do whatever you like. This just makes for a softer sander. So then what I do is I put them 2 that way and 2 this way. And I cross them over so that you don't have them all the same way. See if I can get them together here. So I messed them up a little bit. I'd like to have them opposite, so each side, these guys are going that way, and these guys are going that way. I'm just going to put it on a short Fordham mandrel that I got here. This was a prototype. Oh, maybe I'm doing the wrong end here. Yeah, that works better. The one that's threaded, the end that's threaded seems to work better. Then I'll throw that in a Fordham. So this Fordham's on a foot control. It's a switch, and I have a router speed control on it, so I can control how fast it goes. And that's about where I like to sand. I don't know if that method will work for you. As you can see, it kind of fluffs up the edges and it's a lot softer. I have one set up, an earlier one I did. It's set up in it's a Dremel Advantage actually, and I'm running it on its slowest speed, which is 1. know if you can see that. Didn't let it focus there, sorry. Anyway, so that's something you might want to give it a try. It just makes for a little bit softer edge. Doesn't dig in quite so much. Still sands very nicely. Just an idea. Thanks for watching.